Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel for another emergency update on Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin has just capitulated about 7% in 20 minutes. What is going on? Why are the markets crashing? What are the price targets in the short term? I'll let you know all of this and more. Let's jump right into this. Well, for the past couple of days, we've been letting you know, expect major volatility coming into the US CPI report. Now, believe it or not, headline inflation is not the reason why we're capitulating today, but it has some part to play in this, so I will mention it. We were predicted to have a slightly decreased US CPI year over year. We were forecast to be in at 8.1% after previously reigning in at 8.5%. We had a reading of 8.3%. So we've basically been rallying the past couple of days for the stock market. The dollar's been dumping, Bitcoin's been pumping, expecting this massive drop in CPI, and it didn't happen. Here's where things get really spicy. The US Core Consumer Price Index. This was forecast to be at 6.1% and it's up at 6.3%. Bear in mind the previous month was coming in at 5.9% year over year, meaning we've just had a massive jump in US Core Consumer Price Index. If you're wondering why this is still going up, well, it's because predominantly energy costs. Energy costs are absolutely rising. All items in the CPI are rising, but that being said, the energy is absolutely going through the roof. So that being said, you know the news now. What is the next move for Bitcoin? What's the next move for the markets? Well, first of all, let's look at the DXY. On the hourly time frame, you can see we've absolutely just taken a rocket to the sky, erased multiple, well, almost 2 days worth of gains so far. It looks like the DXY is bouncing back in a quite healthy manner. We did come into contact with the daily EMA ribbons. Like I previously mentioned on the channel, I am still very bullish on the DXY and I am expecting continuation. The SPY is not yet opened, but we are looking to open our pre-market down at 402. This means from where we were yesterday, we should be down about 2.15%. And also, if we check out the E-mini futures ahead of the SPX SPY opening, you can see they are down about 1.75%. Bear in mind, this is all in the past half an hour. We are absolutely nuking on this news of core CPI being through the roof and the actual year-over-year CPI not really having the same punchline as we thought it would. So coming over to Bitcoin, what is the next move for Bitcoin? Well, let's talk about it. In the past couple of videos, well, the past video we made, we talked about this rejection zone, this red box where we were going to get rejected from. And what do you know? We mentioned a few reasons why, but one of the reasons why was because of this downtrending line of resistance. And what do you know? Bang, right into there. We came up today, we had that pump into the CPI meeting, bang, resistance, nuked. CPI report came out extremely bearish, and as you can see, we're even tanking below our original price target of 21,700. So Bitcoin is really absolutely getting battered down right now. We are down 4%, but like I said, if we are looking from the peak here, you know, we're almost down about 6.5% right now. So what is the next move for Bitcoin? I'll make this super simple for you because I do want to get this video out as quickly as I can. We are coming down to the 618 Fibonacci, in my opinion. That is the next line in the sand. This is down here at 20,500. The next level to watch out from there is the 786 Fibonacci down here. I previously mentioned this, but this is down at 19,200. After we take out that level, there is really nothing in the way of us breaking through new lows. And I've previously been looking at bear flag price targets, but judging by how overextended we've become in the short term, I think it's now time to start looking at some of our more bearish price targets. And right off the back, I think our 1.236 all the way down here at 15,700 is going to be in play within the next month or so, in my opinion. But where are we going to be in the next day? We're probably going to come all the way down to the 618 Fibonacci at 20,500. Where are we going to be by the end of the week? Well, I think honestly, I mentioned this over on Twitter, and I'll mention it over here as well. So we've got about an 11% drop down to the 786 Fibonacci, and here's another reason why we might come down to the 786. Well, it looks like we might be revisiting our friend Bart soon. If you don't know what I'm referring to, I'm of course referring to a typical Bart Simpson pattern, a massive run up to the upside, this big old spiky hair. So don't be fooled, we can have one more rally to the upside. It is not absolutely over. I do think this spikiness will probably take place over the next couple of days or so, but either way, I do see us tanking all the way back down to the base of this Bart pattern. If we do it today, if we do it next week, it doesn't matter to me. My price target is down here at 18,500. So that is all I've got for Bitcoin. I'm going to make some more updates updates on Bitcoin and individual stock market indices later on today, but I thought I'd just get this quickly out for you, let you know what I'm expecting in the short term. So yeah, let's come down to the 618 Fibonacci. I want to see a retest of 20,500 after we break through there. I'm expecting a lot more movement to the downwards price targets that I mentioned in this video. So that's what I've got for you today, my friends. As always, cowboy out. Peace.